To start dropshipping on Amazon, you'll need to follow these steps. 1. Research and select your niche. Find a profitable niche that has a demand for products but isn't oversaturated with competition. Look for products that are lightweight, durable, and have a reasonable profit margin. 2. Create an Amazon seller account. Sign up for an Amazon seller account if you don't have one already. Choose between a professional seller account, requires a monthly fee but offers additional benefits, or an individual seller account, no monthly fee but with limited features. 3. Find dropshipping suppliers. Identify reliable dropshipping suppliers who can fulfill your orders. Look for suppliers with a wide range of products, competitive prices, and efficient shipping times. Some popular dropshipping platforms and directories you can use to find suppliers include AliExpress, Oberlo, Salehu, and worldwide brands. 4. Source products and set competitive prices. Select the products you want to sell on Amazon from your chosen suppliers. Consider factors like product quality, price, shipping costs, and customer reviews when making your selection. Set competitive prices that still allow you to make a profit after accounting for expenses like product cost, shipping fees, Amazon fees, and marketing costs. 5. Create product listings. Use Amazon's Seller Central platform to create listings for your products. Optimize your product titles, descriptions, and keywords to improve visibility and search rankings. Include high-quality product images and accurate product information. 6. Manage inventory and order fulfillment. Monitor your inventory levels to ensure you have enough stock to fulfill orders. Coordinate with your dropshipping supplier to handle the packaging and shipping of products directly to your customers. Provide clear shipping and return policies to enhance the customer experience. 7. Optimize for search and advertising. Implement search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to improve your product listings' visibility on Amazon's search results. Consider using Amazon advertising, such as sponsored products or sponsored brands, to promote your products and increase visibility. 8. Provide excellent customer service. Respond promptly to customer inquiries, address any issues or complaints, and strive to provide a positive shopping experience. Positive feedback and reviews are crucial for building trust and attracting more customers. 9. Analyze and adjust. Continuously analyze your sales performance, profitability, and customer feedback. Use the data to optimize your product selection, pricing, and marketing strategies. Experiment with different approaches and adapt accordingly. Remember, dropshipping on Amazon can be highly competitive, so it's important to differentiate yourself through excellent customer service, unique products, and effective marketing strategies. Always comply with Amazon's policies and guidelines to maintain a good standing as a seller on the platform.